Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I'm sharing an easy and unique idea of making home decor, which is not just a home decor but also an incense burner, which I made by recycling plastic bottle and some caps and using homemade cold porcelain clay. So let's get started. For making this, I'm using two plastic jar caps and a plastic bottle. I marked the required portion to be cut down and cutting it using a precision knife. Project is divided into three parts, making upper portion of the house, then the body and the base of the house. I'm using small cap for making upper portion of the house and also cut a hole using precision knife for the smoke to come out. Now using a cardboard to make chimney and sticking it with the help of glue gun to the bottle cap. Now using aluminium foil to give some body to the upper portion of the house. If you are here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm using bigger cap for making base of the house, so filling in the gaps using newspaper and sticking it with the help of a glue gun. And keep it aside. After preparing base for all the three portions, I'm using a bottle for making a body of the house and using homemade cold porcelain clay and making thin sheet of it using rolling pin and covering the bottle using this clay sheet using white glue. Using a tool to give some texture to the house and adding more clay to make door and adding more details. After completing the body of the house, keep it aside for drying and comes sculpting portion of upper part of the house. So applying white glue and covering the upper part using clay sheet. Using more clay to make a round window and using two bottle caps for making window like so. And this completes the sculpting portion of the upper part. Now it's time to stick both the parts together and I'm sticking it using a glue gun. Now sculpting the base for the house, so applying white glue to the bigger cap and covering it using clay sheet. I decided to give some height to the house, so after removing half of the clay from the cap, using aluminium foil to make stone-like design and sticking it using glue gun. Also covering the stone with the sheet of clay. Now making some stones of clay and sticking them like so, making a stair-like design. Using more clay to make grass and randomly sticking more portions of clay. Using ball stylus tool to make grass-like design. using more clay to make mushrooms. And this completes our sculpting portion. Now comes the painting part. I'm using acrylic color to paint the project. I mix some red with black color to make this color. Metallic copper for doorknob. Using different shades of green for the grass, like dark green, light green and olive color. Using grey color for the stones. Giving some shades of black and brown. Painting the mushroom with white and red color and making some polka dots. Now it's time to assemble our project and stick all the elements. I'm also sticking some artificial flowers using glue gun. After sticking all the elements completes our project. Let's have a look at the finished product. And after putting an incense stick inside it, seems like a little fairy is living inside the house and smoke is coming out of the chimney, which turned out to be so beautiful. I hope you guys like this video. If you love this idea, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. And don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications for more such creative videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.